Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about creating a thumbnail for your brand new YouTube channel, which if you have watched the last two videos, you already know how to create. I gave a step-by-step tutorial of how to do this for this year in 2021. I also uploaded a video on how to upload a video to YouTube. So go ahead and check those videos out. In the meantime, let's get to this main video, which is how do we create thumbnails and channel art for YouTube with Canva. So I decided to go ahead and make this a topic because I realized that I was actually using Canva quite a bit in order to make the art for the channel. So what you want to do is go to Google, type in Canva, then just go to canva.com. Now, if you don't have a uh, a Canva account, what you want to do is hit the purple sign up sheet. So go ahead. Now you can sign in with your Google account. So if you have a YouTube channel, you have a Google account already because you needed one in order to create the channel. So go ahead and hit sign up with Google to make it shorter, or if you'd like, you can also come here and put in your name, your email, and a password and click get started. So you can do either one is fine. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to sign up with Google because we already have the YouTube channel account. So we're going to go ahead and sign up. Okay, so here we've signed up. They're asking us, what are we going to use Canva for? So it could be personal. You're here to make any and everything. A student, it could be for nonprofit or charity, a large company, a teacher, or a small business. So you're here to design your brand from the ground up. So we're just going to go ahead and hit personal. All right, so you can try it free for 30 days, okay? So that's how long you have to be able to, once again, use this particular service to create your thumbnails. So it's gonna try and prompt you for a credit card information, but if you go over here, you can hit maybe later, and you can hit skip, and then you can hit no thanks. And here you are to your page. So this is a free Canva account. Now I should say that I actually have the pro account, but that's with my other email. So this one I'm using just to provide you a tutorial for someone who has never been inside of Canva before, what it would look like and what it will prompt you for. Okay, so we are going to create a YouTube thumbnail. So we have to go over to the search box and we have to hit YouTube. And as you can see here, all I did was click Y, and you can see all of the options here. We have YouTube channel art, and it gives you the exact dimensions, so you don't have to worry about knowing the pixels. You know, it's this by this. You don't have to worry about that because if you select it, it will just automatically size it appropriately for you. So it says here that the YouTube channel art, the pixels are 26 or 2560 by 1440, right? We have display ads, we have icon, and here we have thumbnail, which is what we're going to create today. And so it is 1280 by 720 pixels. So go ahead and select YouTube thumbnail. All right, so as you can see, these are different kinds of thumbnails that you can use. They're all templates basically, and you can use them for free. So you go ahead and let's click create a blank thumbnail. So here we have a blank thumbnail. So this is what the screen looks like. So let's say we want to select a nice, you know, template, a pattern. You scroll down here and it you can see it just uploads. It just continually uploads like different kinds of thumbnails that you can use for your YouTube video. So you don't have to pay if you don't want to. You can try this service for 30 days. Although I would recommend that you go ahead and you just get the pro. It's not that much money. And to be perfectly honest with you, it's totally worth it. But again, it's up to you, no pressure. I don't work for Canva or anything like that. I'm just kind of recommending them. All right, so here we have, let's just pick this first one. So there we go. All right, so this is very colorful. All right, so as you can see here, it has populated the templates background for us. All right, and so we can go ahead and get rid of the text here. So what you would do here is you would put the title of your video. So let's say your video is about uh, your favorite brands. For instance, my favorite brands. All right. And so maybe you have like a subtitle. So my favorite brands, and then you just type in, I don't know, grocery stores if that's what you are focused on, right? So let's say this is what your video is about, right? So here you have your template. You've put in your text and you've put in your subtitle if you need one. If you don't, just go ahead and delete it. What I want to actually show you is the sidebar here. So we have uploads, which is for pictures that you might have here. So if you want to upload a picture to place in your thumbnail, perhaps it's a picture of yourself, you would hit upload media. Hold on a second. Let me just kind of click that. You would click upload media, and then you'd hit from your device, or if you're getting it from Google Drive or your Instagram account or your Facebook or Dropbox, wherever you're getting it from. So you'd hit your device and then you download, a picture. So you'd hit it, and then you'd hit OK, and then it would download. And so then that is how you would get a downloaded image of yourself, which you could then drag all the way over here to the screen and you just place it. But let's say you're like me and you're really into animations and things of that nature because they're really cute. Not that I'm an expert or by any means, I'm not, but I just happen to like the little art drawings that they have available in Canva. So let's say you want a picture of a coffee cup, right? Maybe you want to talk about your favorite coffee that you buy at the grocery store. So let's just pick this one because it says free. So notice it says free underneath. So that means that we can use it. We can go ahead and we can use it. So we can place the coffee cup right here. Okay, so there is our coffee cup. And let's say, what else? Grocery store. Let's see, what maybe we want a grocery bag. So grocery bag, go ahead and type that in. And as you can see, again, it populates like the cutest pictures. I love it. And so you place it wherever you want on the screen, right? And so let's say you're satisfied with how that looks. You've got your grocery bag, you've got your coffee, you've got your title, and you like how everything looks. Over here, now you'll notice it populated the title for me and it said my favorite brands because that's what I titled the thumbnail itself. However, if you wanted to title it something else, you could go ahead and just delete it like this and you could title it like YouTube thumbnail if you wish, right? If you don't want it to be called my favorite brands, but we're going to go ahead and leave it as my favorite brands, and then you can add, oops, hold on a second, favorite. Oh, it's telling me it's wrong because of the way that I spelt it, but I'm Canadian, so there's a U. Okay. Um, Hold on a second. Yeah, it's still doing that. Okay. Well, anyway, my favorite brands, um, thumbnail is what we're gonna call this. All right, so we've excuse me. Oh, didn't mean to click that. So we have titled our thumbnail what we want. We've put in the pictures, we've put in the text. Oh, and you can also move the text up and down. So let me show you. You could easily just take it up, take it down, move it here, move it there. And as you can see, it's just really easy to operate. It's wonderful for beginners. And we just did this for free and it looks fantastic. And of course, you can do a much better job. You can find different graphics if you like in the elements section and the text section. Let's say you didn't like the text and you wanted to change the text. What you could do is go here where they have, again, they have a bunch of free templates. So you could just click one of them like this. So you just click it and look how it pops up on screen, and then you would hit delete, right? And you'd put in the text that you want, right? But in our case, we like what we did here. So let's go ahead and just delete this. All right, go ahead and delete that. Okay, I'm just trying to, yes, go delete that. All right, or you can add a heading, a subheading, a little body of text. Again, just play around with it, but you can really create really professional looking thumbnails for your channel. And again, you can do so for free, which is why I really like this program. All right, so after you finish designing everything that you want, you hit download and it says PNG, which is the suggested, which I recommend that you stay there, but it does have other kinds of file types such as JPEGs, PDF standard, PDF print, MP4, etc., depending on what kind of file you are making in Canva. All right, so go ahead and just hit the purple button which says download. So as you can see at the bottom, it's downloading. And here it's just suggesting that you get Pro. Again, that's up to you. I have because I found it quite useful because I really love all of the graphics. However, you don't have to if you don't want to. All right, so if you take a look, it downloads right here. So you can hit open, right? And there is your thumbnail, right there. So there's your thumbnail that you created. So you can go back to your YouTube account now. And what you can do if you're going to upload a video, right? You would hit your upload video, okay? Select the file. So for our intents and purposes, I'm just gonna select this one. I'll delete it afterward. The point is just to show you how to get the thumbnail. So your video is uploading here on the right hand side. Here's your video title. You'd put in your description, da 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 da, and then you'd scroll down to thumbnail right here, okay? And then here it is, my favorite brand's thumbnail, because that's what your video is about. That's the thumbnail we just created. You'd click open and then there it is. It populates it right there for you. And there is your thumbnail for your video. So I sincerely hope that that was helpful for you. If it was, please give this video a like, share, and subscribe if you'd like. And thank you for watching. Thank you for listening, and take care. Bye-bye.